Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is macaroni and cheese. In a medium saucepan, melt your butter over medium heat. Once your butter is melted, add your flour, your salt, pepper, paprika, and dry mustard. You're going to whisk this constantly for around 2 minutes. This is going to be the base of your roux. Boil your pasta till it is al dente, and you can find those instructions on your pasta package. Add milk slowly to your flour and butter, stirring constantly, and you're going to continue stirring until your sauce thickens, which is around 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure you stir it so that there are no lumps. And it's nice and smooth. Once your sauce is thickened, you can remove from the heat, and we're going to add in 2 cups of our cheddar cheese. Stir this until it becomes nice and smooth. Then we're going to add our pasta to our sauce, stirring it all up until the pasta is covered. And then add half of this pasta in an 8x8 dish. And then we're going to add about a half a cup of cheese on top. And then we'll add the rest of the pasta and then top with the remaining cheese. We're going to place this in our preheated oven at 375, and we're going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until the pasta is brown on top and bubbling. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.